Hello over there and welcome to lesson 3 of module 2. In our previous lesson 2 we looked at the difference between the software and the hardware of a computer and giving some examples of each. And in this particular lesson 3 let's look at the binary system of a computer. And so what's the binary system? So the binary system is a numbering system that uses only two states or two digits, that is 0 and 1, and hence it is called the base 2. So in a computer, the computer operates using the binary system in the form of zeros and ones. And why do we have that? Why is it so that the computer uses the binary number system? It's because computers are built with some electronic circuits that can only detect two states. So these electronic circuits could be on or off. So when the electronic circuit is on, we could represent that state as 1, and when the electronic circuit is off, then we could represent that state as 0. And therefore, by flipping on and off those electronic circuits within the computer, we could be able to represent some data in form of numbers and text and letters. So every number or text or even an image or an audio or even code that you write in a computer, this data or information is represented in binary form, in form of zeros and ones. And this makes the binary the language of the computer. So the main language of the computer is the binary language, or we also call it the machine language. So for example, the text is stored using the binary codes, and we have two binary codes, ASCII and Unicode. For example, we could say that the letter A is represented by this binary form 01000001 in a binary form. If we have an image, how do we represent images in a computer? In a computer, the images are represented in form of pixels, and these pixels are stored in a binary color values. And the audios also, how do we represent an audio? An audio is basically sound waves. And how can we represent those sound waves in a computer? We make sure that the sound waves are converted and stored in form of electronic signals or digital signals in form of zeros and ones again. Even the program that you write in some high-level language, let's say you write a program in JavaScript or in Node.js or whatever programming language you use, that program still has to be converted or translated into binary instructions that the CPU can then understand and execute. And therefore, it is very important as a software developer or a full stack developer to understand this binary system, as it will help you to manage your data storage and the application performance. You're able to design applications which manage storage and also which perform with high performance. With that said, let's pause this video at this point and we meet in the next lesson where we look at the code execution flow. With that said, I want to stop this and then see you in the next lesson. Otherwise, thank you for joining.